Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can change your display name in Roblox. It's pretty simple. You want to come to roblox.com and log in into your account. Once you do that, at the top right corner you can see the little setting button. You want to click on it. Now once you click on setting, click on where it says settings again, and it's going to take you to Roblox setting. From over here you can see this option called account info. Make sure you're under this tab called account info. From over here you can see this option called the display name. Right beside display name you can see this little pen with pencil icon. Click on it. Once you do that, from over here you can remove your current display name you have and enter any display name you want. Once you enter the display name you want, you can click on save and your display name will be changed. Now the reason I'm not able to change my display name right now is because you can only change your display name once every 7 days. And I changed my display name yesterday, that's why I cannot change it today. But in your case, you should be able to change it by clicking on save. So that is how you guys can change your display name on Roblox. It's that simple. And if you want to change it, you can also pay Robux, so you can change it before 7 days as well. That option is also available. So I hope you understand. Hit the subscribe to our channel how to guide for future Roblox videos just like this. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.